How do you know which data point to focus on when you're looking at the financial markets? Well, the easy way to tell which data point to focus on is to read what the central banks are focusing on. So here's the Bank of England interest rate decision on the 20th of March. And you can see there was a majority of 8-1 to keep rates on hold. Bit of a surprise because Catherine Mann, the previous decision, had voted for a cut. That surprised people. Now she was going back to keeping it unchanged. But look, what they tell you in their report is what they're focused on. So they said, look, GDP growth has been slightly stronger than expected at the time of Freddie, but look what they say. Business survey indicators generally continue to suggest weakness in growth and particularly in employment intentions, right? In recent quarters, subdued activity has been judged to reflect both demand and supply factors. So straight away, okay, business survey indicator, that's going to be important. The Bank of England's looking at it. GDP obviously will be very important. Then look at the CPI print. The Bank of England are saying, look, 12-month CPI inflation increased slightly higher, and what it tells you, domestic price and wage pressures are moderating but remain somewhat elevated. While inflation is expected to fall back thereafter, the committee will pay they will pay close attention to any consequent signs of more lasting inflationary pressures. So that means high inflation means the Bank of England less likely to cut interest rates. Low inflation means they can go, oh, phew, we are happy that the disinflation process is underway. But if it goes the wrong way, then they're less likely to cut interest rates. So straight away, the Bank of England are literally telling you what data you should focus on. So read the reports, and when you read the reports, you'll get the heads up as to which data points will move the markets. Great tip, very simple to do. Anyone can do it. Just read the reports, and you will see the drivers of the pound. Right? Just see what the Bank of England are focusing on, and that's what the market's focusing on.